Tell Me Why There Is Day and Night by Linda Crota Brennan. Getting dark. Mo set up a racetrack along the sidewalk in front of his apartment. He put on his helmet and hopped on his bike. The track had taken Mo all afternoon to plan. His dad called him. "It's getting dark. Time to come in." Mo frowned. "It gets dark too early." Dad walked over and patted his back. "Tomorrow will be another day." Mo put his bike away. "Why do we have day and night anyway?" "I wish I could stop the sun from setting," said Mo. "The sun doesn't move," said Dad. "The earth does." He pointed to Mo's bike. "Your wheel spins. The earth spins too." "I don't feel the earth spin," said Mo. Dad tapped the car. "We have to pick up Mom. Let's do an experiment." The earth spins. Dad drove onto the highway. "We are moving at a steady speed now. Close your eyes." Mo did. "Do you feel yourself moving?" asked Dad. "No," said Mo. Dad sped up. "Now I do," said Mo. "That's because I changed speed," said Dad. "We don't feel the earth spin because it moves at a steady speed. We and everything around us move with it." "How does the earth spinning make day and night?" asked Mo. Dad parked in front of Mom's office. "As the earth spins, sometimes we face the sun," said Dad. "That's when it's day. Sometimes we face away from the sun. That's when it's night." An experiment. Mom got in the car. She gave Mo a kiss. "How was your day?" "Fine," said Mo. "I just wish I had more time to play outside after school." "The days are getting shorter," said Dad. "How can days get shorter?" asked Mo. "Let's find our globe when we get home," said Mom. "I'll show you." Mo found the globe in his room. We live here. In the summer, our part of the world is tilted toward the sun. This gives us a longer day and a shorter night, said Mom. Dad turned on the flashlight. Mom circled the globe around the light from Dad's flashlight. In the winter, our part of the world is tilted away from the sun. This gives us a shorter day and a longer night. Day and night together total 24 hours. At the equator, day and night are always the same length. They are both 12 hours long. At the South Pole and North Pole, things are very different. The poles have night all winter long and day all summer long. The sun only rises and sets once each season. Other planets. Mo looked out the window. The stars are out. Where do they go during the day? Mom smiled. They are still there, but the sun is too bright for us to see them. What about the other planets? Asked Mo. Do they spin too? Yes, they do, said Dad. But they spin at different speeds, said Mom.